What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another Motorhead video. In today's video, we're going to be back to work on the S2000, and we need to get it painted. So we got it in the booth, we got it prepped. Now we just need to go ahead and tape it up so we can start throwing down some color. Alright guys, car is all taped up, looking very nice. Boys did an amazing job. Now me and Yuri are actually prepping all the parts. We need to paint the wing, the bumpers, and also the mirrors and the door handles. So we're going to get it all prepped and sanded. And we're also deleting the license plate holes on the bumper. So let's go get started on that. Alright, as you can see, I already started on this wing, sanding it down, getting it nice. The fence caught it on the corner, scratched it up. Plus it had some imperfection. I wanted to repaint it anyways, and Yuri's currently working on deleting these holes like we did on the original bumper. So let's get it done. Alright guys, the car is all clean. Paul went ahead and tacked it. Now we're going to throw some plastic primer on these bumpers, get them nice and sealed up, and then we'll start throwing base coat.
truck red. Alright guys, we got the car sealed, so now we're ready for color. We want to give a huge shout out to CarQuest for hooking us up with the base coat and the clear coat. Let's get to spraying.
All right, guys, next day here. As you can see, the paint looks amazing. Went ahead and started putting this rear end together. It's coming along very nicely. Now that it's all dapped together, I need to go ahead and start on the front end. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the lip on. And then once I get the lip on the bumper, I'll go ahead and put the headlights on and we'll go from there. All right, guys, so the bumper's put together. Now we're gonna go ahead and put this front end together and get the bumper on. All right, guys, check this out. We got the front bumper on. It's looking amazing. We also went ahead and put the soft top in. It was kind of a pain in the butt, so we didn't really record it. But we're not done yet. We still need to bolt it down right here and then put these plastics back in. But we're making some progress. Vlad went to go get some bolts for the soft top because we lost them, unfortunately. So while he's there, I'm just gonna go ahead and lift it up, go ahead and button up underneath this bumper and button up the rear bumper, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so unfortunately Vlad had some important business to take care of, so I had to go ahead and take care of it myself, and I couldn't record the process, but I got everything put together on it. It's looking super nice. I put the single exit exhaust on it. We got these sick door panels in it. Check these out, guys, man. They look amazing. There are still a couple of things that we need to do, but we just finished burping the system, so we're gonna take it for a test drive, make sure it's not overheating, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, the car is running very nicely. It's not overheating. It sounds amazing with that exhaust. I'll give you a couple of revs. Very happy with the results, guys. So we're gonna pull into the gas station and see how it looks under the light. Okay guys, so we got the car done. It's running nicely. It's not overheating. I'm very happy with the results and how it turned out. I'm really ecstatic that we finally got this thing back to its original condition. Everything runs very smoothly. It sounds very nice. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Comment down below what you think of the car. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram. And we do have merch. It's on vtune.com. I'll link it down below, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. It's been an amazing journey. 6 days to rebuild this car. I'm really happy because I thought it was going to take forever. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.